If you could only keep one pan in your kitchen, this one might be it. This is the Circulon Infinity Pan built with ScratchDefense Nonstick, so even metal utensils won't damage it. Food just slides right off of it, and scratches are basically impossible. It's 70% deeper than a regular frying pan, so you can sear, saute, boil, or fry with way less mess. The dual pour spouts and straining lid makes draining pasta or sauces super easy. Now, before I get to how it actually performs, if you want to learn more or see the current price, there's a link in the description below. It helps support my channel at no extra cost to you when you make a purchase. Now, I've used it to brown ground beef for spaghetti sauce, reheat japchae, and a few other things, and it cooks very evenly, cleans up fast, and the flush rivets means nothing sticks to the corners. It's also oven safe, so you can start in the stove and finish in the oven without scratching the pan. And as a nice bonus, it even comes with a stand for your spatula and utensils, keeping your countertop clean while you cook. So if you've been wanting a pan that can truly do it all, this one is something you should consider.